Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Stylefit. Hope you all are doing well. As you all know, summer is approaching and our skin definitely needs a change in our skincare routine according to the weather, right? So today I'm going to share summer friendly moisturizer that is budget friendly yet lightweight and hydrating. So yeah, this is going to be especially for oily to combination and acne prone skin, but any skin type can definitely use all these moisturizers because it's great for all skin types. I'm super excited to share my favorite moisturizers with you all, and if you like to watch more such videos, you can definitely subscribe to my channel by clicking the red button and the bell icon so that you'll notify whenever I upload new videos. So let's get into the video without any further delay. So I have my top 6 moisturizers. So it is great for the summer season. And let me start with product number 1. So the first moisturizer is one of my most favorite in my AM routine. It can be any season, but this is gonna be my favorite AM routine moisturizer. And I'm speaking about this Simple Skincare Hydrating Gel Cream. They claim that it provides 100-hour hydration. I'm not sure about that, but it does a very good job of providing that hydrating moisturized skin throughout the day. Yeah, you can be of any skin type, but it does provide a good moisturizing hydrating effect to the skin. It is super lightweight, guys. It's almost an empty, and I'm definitely gonna restock it. I'll just check if I can show you the texture of the product. Yeah, I got it. Even today I'm just using the entire product. As you can see, it is super lightweight gel cream, and it provides a good hydrating moisturizing effect to my skin. I really liked how beautiful it is. It does not leave both a matte or dewy finish on the skin. It's somewhat like a natural finish. So yeah, this is super affordable and it is so good. So the next moisturizer is like the internet's favorite moisturizer, and it is like one of my favorite moisturizer, especially during summer season. And I'm speaking about this Dot & Key Hydrating Gel. So it's called the 72-hour hydrating gel. It also has probiotics in it, which is something great, right? I really like Dot & Key's cute packaging. This white cap looks so cute, right? So this is half the product looks like. Again, it's almost an empty. I've been using it like 2 to 3 bottles of it recently. And yeah, as you can see, again, this is a gel kind of a moisturizer. It is so lightweight. It just spreads smoothly, and it does give by that hydrating moisturizing effect and enough nourishment to my skin that really needs during summer. It is super lightweight. It's again great for like almost all skin types, except if you have like very dry flaky skin. Otherwise, if you're looking for a good lightweight moisturizer, this is so good and affordable as well. Next is again a very beautiful lightweight gel kind of a moisturizer, and yeah, it is also one of my favorite. I just cannot live without this moisturizer, and I'm speaking about this Deconstruct Oil Free Moisturizer. It's called a NMF Oil Free Moisturizer. It is non-comedogenic. It has 3% NMF in it and 0.2% panthenol, which is great for oily skin, especially because it does that gives it hydrating cooling effect to the skin, but also takes care of the skin barrier. So it is so good. It does provide that enough hydration and nourishment that my skin needs. So this is how the moisturizer looks like. As you can see, it's a very transparent lightweight gel kind of a moisturizer. It is so good hydrating, and it's great for especially oily to combination and acne prone skin. It's very affordable, and all of these products are at amazing discount at Amazon, and there's an amazing sale going on at Amazon, so you can definitely check them out. As I'm currently speaking about gel moisturizers, I'm also gonna take this into the list. And also, this is one of my most favorite moisturizer. Again, it's a very beautiful lightweight moisturizer, and I'm speaking about Dr. Sheth's Ceramide and Vitamin C Oil-Free Moisturizer. So it contains 1% vitamin C complex, ceramide, and ashwagandha extract. Yeah, they say that it provides brightening properties, but I don't see anything like that with this. But as a moisturizer, it does work well. Like it's like 200 out of 100, I would say. It does work well, so well as a moisturizer. It is super lightweight, again gel kind of a moisturizer. Great for, like they say it is suitable for all skin types, but I would say it is suitable for oily to normal skin. It is so good. This is a 100-gram packaging, and I've emptied it soon. Yeah, I will also purchase another product again. So this is such a great option if you're looking for an affordable lightweight moisturizer for summer season. I'm not able to show you the texture of this moisture, guys, because it's an empty, right? But it is almost as same as three of these moisturizers, especially these two, I would say, the deconstruct one and the simple one. So it's like that. It's super hydrating and moisturizing at the same time, and super lightweight as well. The next moisturizer is like my current obsession in any of my PM skincare routine and also during any season. And I'm speaking about this Plum Rice Water and Niacinamide Gel Cream. This is so good. I have like emptied 3 tubs of it. It's so lightweight. It also has a gel cream kind of a consistency. It is suitable for all skin types. It provides a beautiful, hydrating, moisturizing, and also that instant cooling effect to my skin. And again, this is how the texture looks like. As you can see, it is very lightweight and hydrating. So it is so good. I really like it. It is like under 500 rupees and does its job so well. It is one of my most favorite, and I will definitely restock it forever because it's so good. Now the last moisturizer is not a gel moisturizer, it kind of like a light lotion like moisturizer, I would say, but it is perfect and it does provide that light glowy dewy effect to the skin, but it is so lightweight and so good. And I am speaking about this Aqualogica Radiance Plus Moisturizer. It's an oil-free moisturizer. It contains watermelon and niacinamide in it, which is great for hydrating and nourishing our skin. So this is so good. It's again a 100-gram packaging. As you can see, it has a very light lotion like texture. It's not jelly kind, but it's so lightweight, nourishing, and super good for almost all skin types, I would say. If you don't prefer matte finish moisturizer, then this is the one for you, especially during summer season. It's great for any season, I would say, but if you're looking for a very lightweight moisturizer and you belong to oily to normal skin, this is so good. And even this 100-gram packaging just retails for rupees 399. Again, it will be available at great discount at Amazon, so you can definitely give it a try. I didn't share my rating on any of these moisturizer because all of these are like same to me. I would definitely rate all of these 10 on 10. For seeing about the moisturizer, these are so good, summer friendly, lightweight, and hydrating to our skin. So you can just blindly pick any of these moisturizer if you're looking for a summer friendly lightweight moisturizer. That's it, guys. I hope you found this video helpful. If you do so, don't forget to smash the thumbs up button, comment down below what more videos do you want me to do next, and share this video with your friends and family. You can also check out my Instagram page Stylefitwithjanu for more such self-care, makeup, and fashion content. And also I will link all these product links along with the product names in the description box below, guys. You can definitely check them out. And that's it for today's video. Until next time, bye bye.